Hey, it's your girl Marky. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And on today's menu, we'll be cooking beignets.
Alright, Pat, so now Pat's gonna taste these beignets his wife done made. You don't want to take one that's not broke and just break it? Let the people see what it look like? Just digging in it?
You know?
So describe it. What does it taste like? Is it oily? What is your... What do you think?
Okay guys, so now this is the part where you can pause the video and gather all of your supplies. Now that you heard the review for yourself, now it's time for you to put it to the test. Let's get this party started.
Anyhow.
I am fluffy.
It's fluffy.
Not oily at all. Good.
Not oily. Thank you, baby. You break a piece for us or let them see the inside to see how not dense it is. It's fluffy. Let's get a... Wow, look at that. Whoa.
Hot.
It's hot.
Yes. You already know how I do.
Just leave me a comment. I'll always comment back. Until next time, bye.